2, 3, fuck it.
Hi guys, I'm back. It's currently 3 a.m. in the morning here. I'm editing a video. Murag na lang ko sa akong video katong recent video na ako. I'm trying to upload it. I'm trying to edit it first, but it seems that it doesn't allow me to edit it.
Psych!
Hi guys, good morning. It's currently 5 a.m. Sayo kay ko ng mata kay malako me with my family. And nag-insta vlog na lang ko. Mag-ilis na ko. So I'm ready to go. I got my friends. I'll just update you later.
Oh. See, is there any space for another?
Psych!
Hi guys, welcome back to my video. So the last video that you've seen, so I was on my room. So now we're in the car. I'm with my sisters right now. The situation is kind of sardine-ish. We're like sardines in the car right now. So yeah, we're heading to Marilog. I'm not sure where exactly in Marilog, but yeah, we're heading to Marilog. I'm not sure. So situation right now, we're on a convoy. This is my mom, my cute mom. Me say hi to the vlog. Yes, sisters.
Na daw?
Guys, update. We're still here at the same location. So I think this is we're still on the side of the road. I think this is Times Beach. Kaya nagulat mi sa lechon, and the lechon is now there. Nara sa likod. So I think the wait is over, and I think we will be going na. 3 cars pala.
Oh my god!
Oh my god, so our convoy just left us? Bahala sila at we literally have 3 cars, convoy cars, and then our mom, Tito, got out to like buy pan. So now we're like left in here.
2,000 years later.
Hey guys, so I'm gonna give you a little update. We're having a little situation right now because we're in the middle of nowhere. But the good thing is the canmi. But like, I'm gonna show you the place. It's so beautiful. So we're heading to the, I'm not sure where. Goy! Yeah. So yeah. So after more like 50 minutes walk, and now so So it's been a long hike. Mommy. So yeah, I'm gonna show you the place. It's so nice. We're currently in the waterfalls right now. It's so cold. Literally so cold, but it's actually a nice waterfall.
Go with the vlog with me. So this is Ate Julia, and we're currently
So, is that May?
yeah, that is you. And this is Ate Julian.
Don't show this. So we'll be having our lunch now. Sa likod sa waterfall. Look at the people.
Place.
What?
How's the place?
I have no idea. I'm hungry already. Ito tayo.
Again guys, I'm 35% right now, so I'm not sure if I will be able to I think I'll be filming in the car later, but right now I finished changing my clothes. We'll be going home in a while. So, that's my mother right there. This is the current situation, guys. What do you make kahibaw na this is like hiking the eye. We were told na matumig like dagat or anything, so what me expect na hike na mahitabo. But yeah, it's so far, and then maningkamot gid mi diri. Grabe, I'll show you the way. It's so hard to. Now I'm walking carefully. Meron ako shoes, Julia, kunin mo yun.
Oh my God! Tingnan mo, makaya.
The current situation. So now we're walking here. It's like a forest. So yeah. I hope we're close to the car now. Okay, hago na kaayo. But yeah, I'm gonna film again later when I get to the car. Okay, one okay battery. I'm gonna charge there. So I'll see you in the next clip. So I think we got lost. Where are we? So it's just 3 of us right now. Hasata, oh my god.
Oh my god!
This is Julia, my other sister.
I can't move.
I'm not sure where's her mother.
2,000 years later.
Guys, I'm sorry that I look really haggard or I don't know. But we just got here at the car. That was a long walk and that was so tiring. So I walked with my family, with my mom. How's the walk? Tired.
It wasn't walk, it was hiking.
Yeah, it was hiking.
That was the worst thing I've ever experienced in my entire...
No! God, please, no! No!
Labas ka dahi.
Hindi, pero magpasok siya balik kasi natabunan ng pet ko. Yeah.
Disgusting. Why did you say that on my vlog?
Because why would you admit that?
So yeah, I mean, I'm really happy. This day was very adventurous and we got to do a lot of things, or a lot of new things, because this is the first time that we did hiking, right?
Yeah.
So this is a bucket list though. Guys, it's currently 2:52 p.m. and we're finally on the highway. So yeah, it's the highway for me.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Oh, you can't see it from here. But yeah, we're on the highway now. We just stopped to get a drink. I'd like to explain why I try so hard to speak English on my vlogs. Like, starting with this vlog, because I hate my ankle. Okay. Because I have like friends from like US and Europe who watches my videos. They said that they didn't understand some of the things that I did because like I didn't speak English entirely. So what I'm gonna do is I will try my best, because English is not my first language. It's gonna be hard for me if I speak English in all of my videos, but like I will try. Mother tongue is Bisaya and I'm gonna speak Bisaya always, so. Okay, so we're at the back and we bought Gatorade because we are dehydrated. I look so ugly right now, so we are gonna drink Gatorade. Here with me is my sister Jasmine.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So we're gonna drink Gatorade now. Don't be getting the stuff that I want. Okay, makalat pre. We're moving the car. I like to, do you know this kind of bread? I like to eat it with, I know.
20 man ang kuan. Kamatis.
Eat it like this. Okay.
Pwede.
Sometimes I eat it like that,
I don't know, bro.
but I don't want to eat it like that.
True story. Naagyan na tong eagle.
This means say hi to the video. Hello. That's Jasmine. That's Julie over there.
What's up, 4x2?
We are like seeing the nicest view view up here. So if you ever want to visit Mindanao, make sure to visit ano nga? Marilog. There's a lot of places to visit here in Mindanao. I would recommend Samal, Marilog, Bukidnon,
Magpapay
Buda.
ng QR code sa Samal na kaya, please.
Yeah.
Dalihan nyo kami.
Yeah. Samal is like a little island in here in Mindanao,
Wag na ano, kaya po ikot.
and like with lots of beach resorts in there. No, Surigao. Oh, Surigao. Go there; it's beautiful too.
2,000 years later.
I just woke up from a nap. We're finally here at the. We will be stopping here at the Real to eat. I really slept so hard. That's lipstick, by the way. I'm sorry for that. So we'll be stopping here to eat. So we're here now at the place.
Mag-rice pa kayo?
I'm rice.